My name is Emily Leslie, Head Teacher of Hacton Primary School, and it is my absolute pleasure to welcome you to the Hacton community. As I'm sure you are more than aware, you are about to make one of the most important decisions for your child, who you are going to entrust with your precious little baby for the next 7 years of their learning journey. We are honoured that you are considering sending your child to Hacton, and we hope that in this video we can give you a small flavour of what life is like for our pupils. At Hacton, education is about every child reaching their full potential, both socially and academically. It is about ensuring every child is cherished, supported, valued and empowered to achieve their absolute best. Our pupils enjoy coming to school. They're well behaved, happy and eager to learn. Good manners and respect for one another are highly valued. Excellence permeates all that we do at Hacton, both inside and outside of the classroom. We have high expectations, and we believe that it is through our engaging and stimulating curriculum that our pupils make outstanding progress. Our school is characterised by an inclusive ethos enhanced by a borough provision for hearing impaired pupils, a quality learning environment with plenty of room to learn and play, top teaching resources to help deliver engaging lessons, an inspiring, broad and balanced curriculum to develop inquiring minds, outstanding teaching to ensure that our pupils are given the very best education, and wonderful pupils who are an absolute credit to their parents and our school.
The best thing about Hacton School are the teachers, because they're always really supportive.
At Hacton we have loads of different clubs, and you can also be in loads of different teams. At Hacton I've made lots of friends that I like to play with during break time, lunchtime and even outside of school.
At Hacton the classrooms are never dull because there's always someone or something that will brighten up your day.
At Hacton I like doing reading. I like our assemblies. I love building Lego. I love my pizza. In Hacton I like it when it's learning time.
So, I look forward to hopefully seeing you and your child in September to begin the exciting adventure of their Hacton learning journey. I am confident that in years to come, you will look back at this exact moment and be happy with the decision that you made to send your child to Hacton Primary School.
I love my school.